Or a commercial famous U2000 series 8-pound commercial upright vacuum used in thousands of commercial businesses daily. Easy to use with little effort to clean, powerful enough to clean in one pass. Quick release storage hook makes removing a 35-foot power cord simple. Fingertip control on-off switch. Helping hand handle makes operating effortless while virtually eliminating squeezing of the hand, bending and twisting of the wrist. Cleans cereal off of tile floor in one pass. Exclusive microsweep blade cleans sand off of bare floors without hoses, attachments, or adjustments. Exclusive bristle brush edge cleaning brushes with high velocity suction channels for baseboard and stair cleaning. A lightweight cleaning machine weighing only 8 pounds makes moving from room to room an ease. Powerful high-speed balanced double helix brush spins at 6,000 RPMs, grooming the carpet as you clean. Non-marring bumper and outer cloth bag protects baseboards and furniture. Self-adjusting brush roller makes going from carpet to bare floors an ease with no manual adjustment. Top-filled disposable 630 cubic inch snap-on snap-off bag is one of the biggest disposable bags in the industry. Or a commercial famous